Why is stationarity important? Why is this concept very important? Or why is non-stationarity a problem? If we have data like this, why is it a problem when you are carrying out the analysis? So you're saying most of the statistical models we use, such as OLS, VAR, remember last week we covered VAR model. In the following week, we are going to cover the GACH model. So in these models, they assume that the data is stationary. All these models assume that the data they are using is like this. That means if you use non-stationary data, you get wrong results. So if you try to run regression on non-stationary variables, you might get what we call spurious regression. This means the results obtained, they are misleading. Even though the results may be significant, they are misleading simply because the data is not stationary. This means that the results look significant, but there are just random chances and no real meaning is involved. You may have significant results, but these results are quite misleading. So a non-stationary series, often called random walk, tends to waver without returning to a long-run mean. Its variance increases over time, making it unpredictable. A stationary series, on the other hand, will fluctuate around one mean. It will fluctuate around one mean. That is what we are saying here. You can see, if you assume this is the mean, you can see this data is fluctuating around one level. It is fluctuating around that level. But here, if the mean is this one is moving upward, or you can have another one which is moving downward. So in the case of a stationary data, it moves around one mean. So that's what I'm saying here, that stationary data fluctuates around a constant mean.